No, no, I cannot hear. Anybody can hear her? Please tell me. Okay. So Shri Kirtan, you have three options as a captain.
Yes, sir.
So out
Okay,
of these
sir.
three, which mood do you feel? Good. Artej, you haven't said anything. Three options you can see on the screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, I feel A4 would be best.
There is a fourth option which you cannot see. I don't know why.
Okay, sir.
Sir, check.
That is a fifth option. And fourth option you haven't seen.
Sir.
Yes, Ishan.
Pawn to C4.
Knight to D4.
Knight to D4. Ishan has said it. What am I getting and what am I losing? Two questions you have to ask. So what you are losing is you are losing this, but that is properly supported. You are losing this, again that is also properly supported. What else you are losing? This is not supported. So you are losing one pawn. And what I am getting this pawn, two things I am getting. So what will you do?
Sir, this one.
Which one?
D4. D4.
This takes D4, are you sure? With what? Queen or with knight?
Knight.
Knight. So I feel that is okay. That is okay move. Not bad. Your support is increased. You are losing this pawn, but your support is also increased. Fine. It is black's turn. Kanushka, your team. Hans, I am making you as a captain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kanushka, Arav, Dhairya and Kavin will help you.
Okay. Anyone? Kevin, can you say? Hello, Kevin.
Yes.
Can you suggest any move?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so sir, I will take the bishop at E2.
You will take the bishop. Fine. That is simple thing. You will take the bishop E2. Not much options were there, basically. One option was there, that is moving your king to D8. That was one option. Away from this, and such a move is called as um, time pass move in our normal language. It's just giving opponent little time to make the mistake, basically. Such moves
Okay.
are sometimes required in the game because now your position is so good. Every piece is at their best position. So whatever you move, it
Okay.
will be perhaps a difficult thing for you then. You try to change the position. Because see, if white's bishop kills your bishop, what will happen? Your knight will come to a good position, this knight. Knight on h6, which is now bad knight. So chance will be there for your knight to come into bad position. And if they don't take your bishop is always in a good position. So why to give up your good position? Your queen is also in very good position. Rook is also attacking over here. So everything is in good position. Only good thing in white is that white's pawn is little developed. So this may be a cause of concern little later. C pawn when it comes, these three pawns, they will move with each other, and that will be a better for them. Development in the end game. But
Okay.
otherwise, your position is quite at a good position. So you have to wait for a white to make the mistake. And simply you move your king inside so that it will not come in the line. And then one pawn up from a7 to a6 or b7 to b6. And then you are safe.
Okay, sir.
So that should be done. Yeah. Second. Yes, please tell me.
Anyone else has any suggestions? Then please tell.
No. I have done that. Now
Okay.
black bishop takes white bishop. It is white's turn.
Okay.
White to play. Very common sense move. But let me see what they do.
So knight takes bishop.
Taking bishop with what?
Knight.
Knight.
Sir, and it will protect the pawn. And if queen won't attack the pawn, and if queen attacks the pawn, then queen will take queen. Knight takes bishop.
Think carefully. Yeah? I'm asking you again. Taking with knight is good or taking with queen is good?
Second.
Avani, what do you feel? Anushka?
Hello, Samir.
Yes, Manisha.
हेलो
Yes, Manisha, I can hear you.
समीर तू रेकॉर्ड करतो आहेस का?
हो करतोय recording चालू आहे.
हाँ रेकॉर्डिंग चालू आहे ना?
Queen is better.
Yes.
हाँ प्लीज रेकॉर्ड कर ना. Because I will leave the session halfway now. I've come to my doctor.
Okay. No issues. Yeah. Take. Yes, Avani, you
fine.
were saying something.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir.
Now, Avani was saying something. Let us say something.
Takes bishop.
Knight takes bishop.
Bishop.
Sir, queen.
Queen takes bishop. Okay. So everybody is saying queen takes bishop. Kanushka, what do you say? Kanushka is not able to hear. Yeah.
Sir, Kanushka is in Tejas team.
I'm in black.
Oh, sorry. It is, I think, Hartej. Hartej is not saying anything. Hartej?
Sir, queen
Anushka.
takes bishop.
So everybody is saying queen takes bishop. Only Sri Kirtan is saying knight takes bishop. Here I feel that queen takes bishop is better.
Sir,
Because,
knight
yeah.
bishop.
No, knight takes bishop is a little bad because I will tell you why. if queen takes, and then this pawn is as it is going, so you will be losing. But this rook on b1 will come to d1 and give support and take the control of this entire file. There will be a hidden attack on queen, black queen. So that is the advantage.
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
So what is that chat-like thing in the white and black section? There is a chat-like thing in the
Yes,
before
yes.
the coordinates. What's that?
This is the percentage. That is the analysis by a computer. Computer has done the analysis. So whatever moves we have done now, I will run that analysis afterwards. Say after half an hour, I will run the analysis and we will see whether your moves were right or wrong.
So the chat-like thinking means that it has been that particular coordinate has been analyzed.
Yeah, correct. Every move is analyzed. Every move is analyzed.
हर मूव के साथ क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है सुना ना उसे वो भी सुन रहा हूँ आप भी सुना
पॉसिबिलिटी तो रहती है, वो भी है, लेकिन ये जस्ट जनरल एनालिसिस रहता है, वो जरा ज्यादा डीप में जाता है. फिर पॉसिबिलिटीज एक गेम कंप्लीट होने में भी इट विल टेक अनदर 5 to 6 सेशंस. So what we are doing is that now let us see what they are playing and whether it is a good move or bad move. At least little bit हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि उनको कितना आ रहा है, कितना उनका एनालिसिस पावर कितना है. That deep also it is possible to go. Computer suggests all good moves also. So entire जब game हो जाएगा ना, तब we can run that and then every move what we played and what was suggested, that we will run. We will come to know.
ध्यान दो ये क्यों
Yes, now it is black's turn. Come on. Hans, Kanushka, Arav, Dhairya, Kavin.
Hello. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Hans, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute. 1 minute. So, I guess I will advance the b6 pawn. No, sorry. b7 pawn to b6.
Pawn to b6. You are not going to take that pawn on d5.
e5. 1 minute, sir.
वाओ
You are playing for black.
जरूरी कर लेना
Now white has taken bishop with the queen. You can see now this move has happened. Now this pawn is loose. If you want to move this pawn over here, I don't mind about it, but think carefully.
यहाँ पे इसमें ध्यान दो
The pawn. So the queen takes the pawn.
I think perfect. Yeah, it takes the pawn.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that is the only. Otherwise, there is that problem will pawn will cause lot of problem because next move is this. from white side, and then there is a good support, and then this four pawn wall will be there, which will be winning position. You cannot give your opponent opportunity to form a wall in the center also. Center pawn it is. So killing this pawn is very essential. Still there will be your one pawn behind. In fact, black is exchanged down. Two rooks against one rook. That is the exchange down is there. So black has to concentrate on pawns. Almost 3 points behind.
Okay, so queen takes pawn, that would be the move.
Yeah, I have done that.
Yeah, I saw.
It is white's turn. Shri Kirtan.
Rook D1.
Everybody? I had suggested that. Okay, yeah, that was very common sense. This is a good move. That is a good move. Perfect. Again, black's turn.
One moment, sir.
Now, if black misses this move, where I am not going to give any support, game will fall. Very crucial move for black.
Black का move हो रहा है.
Extreme crucial move.
What you said, I cannot
Extreme crucial move for black. Kanushka. If black misses this move, right move, then black is going to lose one more piece.
सोचो.
5 points, 10 points count कीजिए. 5 points ने 10 points को टक्कर दिया. 2 points ने 5 points.
उसमें ध्यान दो ना.
knight to G4.
Which knight?
So the knight next to the queen.
To G4. Okay. That is one suggestion. I will put it over here for the benefit of others. This is what is suggested by Kanushka. Arav, you are not participating. Kavin. White, in the meantime, please think about your move.
Sir, I already thought about it. And I know my next move.
Good. But let everybody, every member of your team also should think that way. Because now you are getting ready reference which move black is going to do.
मैं ये करूँगा. Double.
यहाँ की राइन नाइट भाग जाए ना.
So, hello.
Yes, Hans.
So actually, that would not be a viable move because queen will kill it. one moment.
मतलब look करो ऐसा तो ये करना पड़ेगा.
Knight to f3 would be a valid move.
Knight to f3. Knight to f3. That is what you are saying. Daring. Come on. Another move. I am still giving you chance. Because I feel both of these moves are not good.
So
Yes.
queen takes knight.
Queen takes knight.
And the rook will take the
Rook will take.
Danger. Super. Black confirm करने वाला.
third, the e5 knight to e4.
ये bad move है.
Oh, sorry.
e5 knight to g4.
Queen से खेला तो खा लेगा queen को. वो भी देखो ना. आप देखते हैं ना सबको रिपोर्ट करने में सोचते हैं
काफी बेटर मूव अवेलेबल है.
ये खेलेगा ना यहाँ से यहाँ पे लेके आएगा.
So hello.
Yes, yes.
So actually, I think we should take the c7 pawn to c5.
Third, the rook
c7 pawn to c5. Okay.
the rook to
Yeah.
f4.
This is another solution. And rook to f4.
हॉर्स खा लेगा.
Wow, this is something good, huh? This is something new. Very good. That means you are attacking this. Okay? Double attack. Fine. And later on, your queen can come over here with the help of this. So that is a good solution. Yes, everybody? See, I will tell you, this solution is very bad.
Okay.
Then this solution is also very bad. You know what will happen after these things? Simply ये करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे आप? ये करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे उसके बाद में? So these are bad moves. A good move is perhaps this move, fantastic, because this can come over here, saving. I will tell you why. I will analyze this little bit. I will show you what will happen. If you don't move this, next is this over here or this over here. Attacking queen and this attacking here or attacking here. This should be safe, of course. It depends on the queen movement. But the thing is that this knight you can use anywhere to attack because one attack is on the queen. Even this knight can come over here. So next move is this. So there is a hidden attack